If we take a look at yesterday's analysis, I mentioned that the price will try to reach 3353.77 resistance level and then potentially retrace back down. Yesterday the price has done very close to that, but price did not reach the area around that resistance level, a supply zone, but the price has retraced a little bit earlier. We can see around 3344.84, and the price has gone down even further than I was expecting. I was expecting yesterday the price will reach around an area 3320 and around this one 3317, and we can see the price has gone even further down all the way to the next support level, which is very close to 3272.61. we can see that here. So this bullish breakout that has been formed 2 days ago, the price has gone a little bit up, further up, and then returned back down, confirming the previous resistance. Now it's acting as a support. We can see that here. If we go take a look here on the 4-hour time frame, we will see how the price has behaved yesterday. Starting from yesterday, we can see the price was trying to reach higher price levels, and we can see the price has made that. We can see that the price yesterday was trying to move up. The prices reached at 3345.31 and then returned back down. We can see this was a bullish breakout here on the 4-hour time frame, and I was expecting that the price will reach this area around this one here, very close to the supply zone, but the price did not reach that, and it has gone all the way back down, going and also against this area bullish breakout. So this is the bullish breakout I have mentioned yesterday. It was not successful because the price did not reach the area of resistance and also the target that I was targeting. Then the price has gone down. We can see that the price has stopped at the support level 3303.41, and it has also gone below this area of support. We can see that here, and trying to reach the next support level very close to this one here, but the price did not manage to reach that area. It has come very close to this demand zone. From there we can see the price was trying to move higher, and it is currently at the resistance level 3303.41. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the prices behaved yesterday. The price was trying to move higher. We can see it was successful, but the price then stopped at here at 3339.80 resistance level. And here the price formed this small engulfing bearish candle, suggesting further decline down, and the price has gone down. We can see that reaching the next support level. From here, the price has formed this indecision candle, which usually means continuation of the previous trend, which was a small bearish trend, so the price continued to lose its value, going all the way to this first support level below that on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that here, and it has also made a bearish breakout. Now this area 3285.87 has stopped the price, and we can see for several times the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout here, then again here, trying again here, and then again here, but not successfully. So we can see the price is trying to move down, but this is demand zone where the bulls are waiting. They're pushing the price up, so the price is currently trying to move higher. What we can expect today? Well, based on the 1-hour time frame, we can see it was a bullish trend yesterday, and then the price has gone down, canceling this bullish trend. So now it is moving sideways. 4-hour time frame is showing that we are currently in the bullish trend, so this is a little bit retraced. So looks that the price could continue to rise in value, and we can see the price has just reached this area of support, which is a trend line also acting as a support. I will put this one here, trend line, okay, on the 4-hour time frame, and we can put it on the daily, okay, and let's put another one, just a minute, parallel to that, to the upper side. Let's see where the price is touching these, and here it is. The price is touching here the levels, and also the price has touched that, so we can leave this one here and the 4-hour time frame and the daily. Okay, now we can see how the price is in the uptrend channel. So the 4-hour time frame shows us that we are currently going up, but first of all, on the 1-hour time frame, which is currently sideways moving, the price needs to move above 3303.41 in order to continue to rise in value, and this means continuing to reach 3326.95. Now on the daily time frame, we can see how this price looks. Currently looks in the bullish trend, which is currently canceling this downtrend. So the price needs to make a bullish breakout about 3353.77 in order to continue to rise in value. Now, first of all, today is Friday, which means a pretty messy day, especially in the afternoon when the traders get out from their trades. So this could also potentially move the price in one of the directions, depending also where the price is will move during the first of the day. First of all, this means, as it looks right now, for me, bullish oriented, because we have a bullish breakout here which has been confirmed, and this is the candle that has been created yesterday with a body which is inside the previous candle day, which means there is no selling pressure and also buying pressure that is currently showing the strength. But what we can see, it is the uptrend channel which is currently acting also confluence of support. We have here a trend line and we have here horizontal support that is preventing the price from falling down. So first of all, I'm waiting on the 1 hour time frame to see a bullish breakout above 3303.41, which will be indication of the further rise in value. For how long and how fast, it depends, but first resistance level will be 3317.59, which will be a little bit hard for the price to make easily a bullish breakout. So this will be the next target. And if for the bears, if they manage to go below 3285.87 yesterday and also today's support level, it will be indication of the further decline in value. So let's wait until the price gets out from this range area, and then we'll see where is the direction. But I am more inclined to see the price on the higher price levels, but for that I need confirmation, and I need to see market moving in that direction. And if it moves in that direction, that means I will follow the market. Following the market when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, this is the way how I am doing. So if you would like to receive these updates inside the premium analysis group, feel free to check the link below, so you can also receive the bullish and bearish breakouts on gold and also especially all other symbols. You can see them here, which I'm sharing when there is a bullish or bearish breakout with the potential target where the price could go. So that's all for today. Be careful because it's Friday, especially in the afternoon when the price tends to have moves that are not in line with the analysis and also technical analysis, support and resistance levels. So pay attention to that and be safe. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.